Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to restore your Google Authenticator code, then here's the solution from the Google Account Help. So here you can see there are two ways to recover lost authentication codes. Use the QR code generated by doing an export. Then obviously this has to be done while one still has access to the old Authenticator app. Use the original site-specific QR codes to configure the new authenticator, assuming you saved them. If you can't restore the authenticator, then you will have to attempt account recovery of each of then configured accounts. If you saved the site-specific backup codes, this will be no problem. If you don't, you will have to contact the site about their account recovery process when the authenticator has been lost. If the site doesn't provide a method recovery when the authenticator is gone, then the account is lost. So they have just clearly claimed that if you can recover your code, the authenticator code by this method. So and also the company or the site authority doesn't give you any way, or they can actually help you to recover your account, then you have to consider it like your account is lost. So you can finally that the Google Authenticator will be adding Google account soon, sensing soon. So it has just already added. So you can try it. You can open the Google Authenticator and make sure that the backup option is turned on your Google Authenticator. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.